Then we have 3 planets who are focusing on the young companies. One is for industrial entrepreneurs, where they can rent, as I said, equipment and they can get production started. We also work with spin-off. You probably know spin-off, where you have an idea in an existing company which doesn't get any help from that company. If it gets another help, if they get the right help, then they could turn into a new company. So spin-off, we think, can generate new companies. And the third planet for new companies is the inventor part. We often meet inventors who has invented something very, sometimes it's useful, other times it's just an invention. And we also think with the right support we can turn some of those into new companies. And finally, the municipality has decided that we will place our technical service and our mayor's office will also be placed in that building, so that the political system is close to the industry. And we think that connection is very good, because then we get things aligned and make sure that the political and the practical parts meet together. So that's our ambition. We haven't started yet, but we are getting the finance cleared at the moment. So hopefully by the end of 2014 we'll be able to get the house running and start to making new companies and improve competitiveness of existing companies. And I would like to end by sort of saying thank you for your interest, and we also are very much interested in international cooperation.